One, two, three,
Hi,
go.
my name is Steven Yang, and this is my Python 1 final project. So my idea for the project was inspired by the classic game Simon Says, as shown in these pictures. And some things I learned during my classes that I used to incorporate in this project was Pygame and classes. Pygame is a form of Python used to design games like the Simon Says I've done. And classes is basically a blueprint slash design plan for a new object. Basically tells us attributes like colors, shape, size of the object. And some code, these are some code examples. On the left right here, it tells us if the buttons were clicked and if it was the correct color. And code on the right is the button class that gives us all the attributes. And I'll show you guys a quick demo. See, it makes a sound and a color will flash really quickly, and that's when you press the right color. If you press it correct, it'll keep on going, but if you get it wrong, it'll immediately close out. And my favorite part about working on this project was testing out the program and getting my code to work. And after everything was finished, I enjoyed playing the game that I made myself. And some things I would add if I were to continue on this project, maybe add an extra color to make the game more interesting. And yeah, that's my final project. Thank you.